Okay, I got a new toy. Hopefully it's a nice new toy. I bought a couple of new toys today, so I'll just show this one first, which is a 18 volt 1 plus Dremel. Well, not a Dremel type of character. So, rotary tool. Okie dokie. So I also bought myself a couple of 5 amp batteries. Probably something that's been long overdue. What have we got here? Okay, so it's our bits and pieces. So we got some paste, buffing, some cutting discs, some sanding, a little grinding. Pretty standard stuff, I guess. I did get the idea that this was designed to be mounted. Yeah. Let's see what it does when it's not mounted. Okay, I was a bit worried that I might jump around when it wasn't mounted. So I'm guessing that must clip on. Ah, yeah. Seems alright. Okay, so we have a lock, yeah. I haven't actually got anything to do at the moment, so we'll just put something in and watch it spin. Okay, I don't know if you noticed the way it jumped up and down. In very, very definite steps. So yes, it hasn't got the fine control of, say, the other ones that I've used, which are just infinity between minimum and fast. So probably due to, you know, the DC controller. So probably uses just a voltage regulator to determine the speed of the end bit. But how's it like to? Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, I'd say it's alright. Guess the truth will be when I start to have a actual play with it. gotta say the cord seems to be quite good. This flexi shaft seems to be quite good. I do think it could be longer, but I guess with this part of it, the battery part of it being rather portable and positionable, makes it a lot easier to get it into the position you want to get it into. Yeah, that's actually, oops, sorry about that, that's actually quite good. So certainly be handy if I want to do something just out in the car, or take it to another room. I think it'll be quite useful. But that's basically it. Nothing too fresh, nothing too exciting at this stage. And if you never hear about this again, that means it's working well. If I bring something up again, then it'll be to have a bitch and moan about it. But I think she's going to be good. Thank you for watching.